Hey guys, it's PMHK here, obviously. Now, I've been with the iPad Pro, this is the 11-inch, for almost a week now. And I must say, from my previous unbox up to now, that this guy is the iPad as the iPad was intended to be. Now, as you can see, the design has changed drastically or dramatically. Now you can see that you have smaller bezels on the tablet itself, which gives you actually more real estate for you to work with. And also the way you manage the iPad itself has changed. Now it's just like the iPhones where you have to swipe up and use the Face ID to unlock. Now you don't have the home button anymore. And also Apple have included the 120 Hertz refresh rate, which actually just allows you, and actually they're calling it Pro Motion, which I don't think you're going to be able to see. You're actually going to have to maybe go to a store and just try it out for you to see what I'm talking about. But you can basically scroll in a much smoother and in a much faster way. As you guys can just check this feature out because it's really amazing. Now, this tablet comes with the same camera as I mentioned on the unboxed video. Make sure you go check that video out if you haven't checked it yet. It comes with a 12 megapixel, the same camera that it's on the iPhone XR, and it's a really great camera. Even the Face ID camera also, which is also capable of portrait mode, it's really smooth. And in terms of also the dynamic range of the pictures you take, it's much better than the previous generation's iPad. Now, the price of this guy, it's still a bit high, but I think that if you're in the market for a tablet right now, this is actually your best option. Obviously, if you have the money to actually go and invest on it. Now, I haven't done much testing on it as it yet because I've also seen people actually managing to edit videos on this guy, but I haven't done that yet, and that's not the reason why I have this guy. I have this guy mainly for media consumption, and I was actually have been watching some anime on it, and the graphics, I must say, they're quite good. Now, they're using the liquid retina display, which is just a LCD display, but Apple is saying is the best LCD display they've ever, let me pause that, best LCD display they've ever put on a device. And I must say, it is quite good. And also the speakers when it comes to watching stuff, it's like, since it comes with 4 side speakers, it actually it feels like it's face firing, although it's not really in front like most of those older tablets had. Now, do I recommend this guy? Now, I mean, if you're in the market for a tablet, obviously, and you are already on the Apple ecosystem, I'd say you should go for this one and nothing less, because I mean, most of the other tablets are also gonna soon be upgraded to something similar to this. That's if they don't discontinue it, but I doubt Apple will discontinue it. But so if you're in the market for a tablet, this is your option to go. This version that I have here is a 256 gig, which should actually set you for almost 19 grand. And that's one of the reasons, or one of the problems actually you'd have if you are looking for a tablet. Now, 19,000 rand is already a market for a really good Windows laptop. And if you don't have a Windows laptop, or if you don't have a laptop or PC in general, I'd say skip this guy, go and buy yourself a PC. But if you are somebody that already has a PC or has already a laptop and you are actually looking for a tablet, I'd say go for the smaller version of this guy, which is would be this one, and on a 64 gig, which should cost you around let's say 13,000, which is also the price of the iPhone XR and the price of the new Mac Mini. So now you're going to actually have to decide what you need. If you already have, as I mentioned, all those other devices and you only need a tablet, then go for this guy. But if you don't have a computer, or if you don't have a laptop at home, I'd say skip this guy and get yourself maybe a Mac Mini, or even the new MacBook Air that was also announced not so long ago. Now, these are my initial thoughts on this guy. I really am enjoying it, and I actually would recommend, obviously, as I said, if you guys have the funds to go and buy. So this is gonna be it for this video. Let me know what you guys think of the 11-inch iPad Pro. Obviously, as I mentioned, I am really enjoying this guy. So this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you subscribe to the channel for future videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.